Hello, dear Chandan.
Hi there. Yeah, hi brother. How are you today?
I'm fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. And you?
Yeah, I'm okay. Thank you for asking.
So, where are you from?
So, would you like to? Yeah, I'm from Bangladesh. I live in Manching Division. What about you? Which district are you from in Bangladesh?
Okay, that's great. I'm from Khoipur district. It's a part of a long division in Dhaka. You know,
Okay. Yeah, I know a little bit, but I'm not ever visit your city.
when did you join this application?
Yeah, since 2 months. What
Okay.
about you?
Uh, Last 5 days ago, I joined this application.
So, how was your experience this application?
Not bad. I think it's a good for me and others people because many foreigners come to practice on their fluency. So that's a good for us.
So, why are you join this platform? What is the reason behind the scene you had?
Because I want to improve my fluency about English.
Why you need to fluency in English? Any specific reason? Are you improving your English or?
Reason must have. One of my reason is I want to help in my local poor students. Basically, they are weak in English subject, so
Mhm.
I also want to help them. That's why I want to improve my spoken fluency. Sometimes I want to communicate with foreigner people.
Sometimes. Or it's online platform or like local? Are you meeting local any foreigners? Maybe not.
So, what are you doing basically?
Yeah, still student. I study at university, Department of Political Science, National University, second year. How about you? What do you do for a living? Do you study or work?
No, I'm an assistant English teacher in my local private school. Also, I'm a student of B.A. Honors level. You call final year students, Department of Bangla, Government Rajendra College Khoipur.
Oh my god, Department of Bangla, but are you learning English? Why? Why not change your subject like English literature? Oh my
Most of
god.
the reason that I said yet. So you think
Yeah, not bad, I think.
though I study in Bangla, but I want to try uh, English because it's
So, how long have you been learning English? It's when you
um,
decide like you should be improving your fluency and learning English.
1+ year ago when I started
Ah,
my journey.
it's a long time. Okay, but your English is so far so good, like your fluency, pronunciation. Before I meet a lot of Bangladeshi people, but compared to you, there is a very different
Uh,
pronunciation is very
Actually, I
you
want
know
to.
local. So
Actually, I always try to my speak with people. Basically, I'm an assistant English teacher, so I want to try uh, like foreigners sound.
yeah. So whose accent are you follow, like American or British?
Both are I like.
Okay. Which one is compared to like American or British? Which one is very easy to understand and
But
easy to correct?
American language.
Yeah, American accent.
American
You're right. I totally agree with you.
American language is very easy for us, especially Bangladeshi people. Though
Mm.
British by England language used we most of the time, but I think American language is very easy for me. That's why I want to always practice spoken English through American language.
Okay, very good. Good to hear that. So, what is your like learning strategy? Are you follow any kind of method like are you learn grammatical point or without grammatical point are you speaking?
Uh,
preposition, contraction.
yeah, I follow many of structure in grammar like tense, verbs, pronunciation, sentence,
Mhm.
etc.
Okay. But what do you think? It's useful for when you're speaking someone in English?
Yeah, it's a very useful. It's a very important for us because we don't talk without English, especially tense, verbs, sentence,
Mhm.
etc.
But
I mean,
okay, I agree, but not totally not agree. Okay, good.